Objection number two, let's just use that sales tool and repurpose it for SRM. Listen, I utilize a CRM on a day-to-day basis. It is my operating system. It is my execution layer. I love my CRM. The bottom line, though, is it's not an SRM technology because I equally, on the other side, of course, sell our solution to procurement professionals. The day-to-day looks drastically different, and to be able to repurpose is very, very, very unlikely that you can be able to have the same experience on a day-to-day trying to repurpose a CRM versus an SRM. Why? Is because they're built for different stakeholders. They have different end goals in mind. Kodiak Hub looks very different than the strategic goal that HubSpot or Salesforce has. The strategic goal of a CRM is to drive sales and revenue growth and retention, customer lifetime value, whereas the SRM is focused on driving supplier value, helping you to drive performance, reduce risk, ensure compliance, and drive resilience, not revenue. Again, we've put together a framework and a simple rule-based framework, meaning 6 out of 9 of the areas on the right-hand side of the screen, an SRM might be essential for a business of your stature. Whereas if you're on the left-hand side of the screen and not meeting, for example, 6 of the 9 on the right hand, then of course the CRM and repurposing the CRM may be good enough for you as well. The options are there to be able to work through. And again, the asset is going to be there for download at the end of the session.